Hi everyone, my name is Rishit. Today is the 29th of December 2024, and I'll be going over the S&P SPY front testing strategies results. So on the 23rd, we had a sell signal giving us a loss of 0.643%. On the 24th, we had a buy signal giving us a profit of 9,122.84 USD or 0.875%. But on the 26th, we had another sell signal giving us a loss of 3,212.64 or 0.308%. And finally, on the 27th, we had a sell signal giving us a profit of 4,417.38 or 0.42%. And we ended the week with a cumulative portfolio return of 5.301. Compared to 4.956% at which we started. Alpha decreased from negative 15.843% to negative 16.163%. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy, and I will see you in